Hello, my name is Riccardo Sammartini, and I'm in charge of procedures and product normalization at PR Rubino, which has produced both standard and synchronized conveyor belts, technical products, and next-generation hybrids since 1978. I'm now going to present you our Bluedect conveyor belts. We have a range composed of 5 types among smooth and tooth belts, traceable by metal detectors and suitable for direct contact with wet and dry foods. Let's now see some of the advantages. Traceability with metal detectors. Today, safety in the food industry is no longer an added value, but an essential need to be guaranteed to the final consumer. Our Bluedect belts have their traceable part equidistant within the polymer they're made of. Non-hygroscopic TPU polymer. The special polyurethane mix they're made of make them waterproof, impervious to oils and greases. The advantages are improved hygiene and a bacterial count reduction. High flexibility. This feature can be found in every product in the Bluedect range, both in the textile support and elastic versions. Simple self-centering. Drivability and synchronized progress are guaranteed thanks to the Easy Whale and Shark Drive tooth guide. With the entire range of our detectable products, Eterdect, Elastodect, Bluedect, Detectable, and with the ERD and KD heat seal lanyards, we are able to solve problems related to fragment detection. Fields of application. Using the Bluedect conveyor belts, all food industry sectors can benefit enormously in terms of safety. Here are some of the application fields: the bakery, confectionery, canning, meat and cured meats industries, chocolate, pet food, biscuit factories, frozen food, the cheese and milk derivative industry. For further information, visit our website prrubino.it. Thank you for your attention.